Hi, I'm Janelle Berkland, and I'm a PA student at Wichita State University, and I'm here to play bingo with you guys. So I'm going to pull a card, and I'm going to read the term on it, and then I'm either going to ask you guys a question about the term, see what you guys know about it, or I'll give you a fact about it. Some of these are diseases, so I'll give you a fact on how you can prevent the disease as well. Are you guys ready? All right. First one, pink eye. Pink eye is also known as conjunctivitis, and it can be caused by a bacteria or a virus. And the best way to prevent it is by washing your hands. Next one, body odor. All bodies are they all naturally produce an odor. If you don't bathe routinely, that odor will become very strong. The best way to prevent body odor is to bathe routinely and apply deodorant daily. Mumps. Mumps is a disease that can cause swelling of both your salivary glands, which are in your mouth, and it can also cause body aches and headache and a fever. How we prevent mumps is from a vaccine called the MMR vaccine. Next one, norovirus. Norovirus is a virus that can cause nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. The best way to prevent norovirus is to wash your hands. Deodorant. I'm going to quiz you guys on deodorant use. How often do you think you should use deodorant? If you guys guessed every day, then you got it right. Rubella virus. Rubella virus is a disease, or it causes a disease that can cause a sore throat and a rash. The best way to prevent rubella is with the MMR vaccine. Brushing teeth. Not only can brushing your teeth help prevent cavities, but it also helps prevent heart disease. By brushing your teeth, you're helping prevent buildup of plaque in your arteries, which is a major cause of heart problems. I'm going to ask you guys a question on brushing your teeth. How often do you think you should brush your teeth? If you guessed twice a day, then you got it right. Virus. Viruses must live inside of our bodies to grow, and then they replicate and they can cause us to become really sick. A few illnesses that are caused by viruses are chickenpox and the flu. Cavities. Cavities are one of the most common diseases in kids. It's caused by poor oral hygiene, like not brushing your teeth, and may cause you to lose your teeth. The best way to prevent cavities is to brush your teeth twice a day. Human influenza type B virus. We like to abbreviate it as HIB, H-I-B. HIB can cause pneumonia, which makes it hard for you to breathe, and it can also cause ear infections. The best way to prevent HIB is with the HIB vaccine. Hand, foot, and mouth disease. This disease can cause a rash on your hands, your feet, and in your mouth. It's very contagious. So the best way to prevent this disease is by washing your hands. Common cold. We should all know what the common cold is. It causes a runny nose, sore throat, and a cough. The best way to prevent getting a common cold or spreading it is by washing our hands routinely, covering our face and our mouth when we cough or sneeze. And that helps prevent us from getting sick and other people from getting sick as well. Vaccine, a product that stimulates a person's immune system to produce immunity to a specific disease, protecting that person from the disease. Dentist. How often do you guys think you're supposed to go to the dentist? The correct answer is every 6 months, so twice a year. Tetanus. Tetanus is a disease that can cause you to have a stiff jaw and a stiff neck and make it hard for you to swallow. The best way to prevent tetanus is to get the Tdap vaccine. Strep throat. Strep throat is caused by a bacteria and it causes a sore throat. To prevent getting strep throat, you should wash your hands routinely, and to help prevent spreading strep throat to other people, you should cover your mouth and your nose when you cough and sneeze. Immune system. I'm going to ask you guys a question about the immune system. What do you think the immune system does for us? So the immune system is the body's way to defend off illnesses and diseases. The immune system is made up of many different organs and cells, which all work together to attack and kill the germs that make us sick. Vitamins. Vitamins help boost and regulate our immune system, especially vitamins A, C, and E. Can any of you guess what foods have vitamin A in them? So foods full of vitamin A are spinach, kale, and carrots. Can you guys guess what foods vitamin C has? So foods full of vitamin C are oranges, lemons, and grapefruits. And what about vitamin E? Can anyone guess any foods that have vitamin E in them? Foods with vitamin E are broccoli, almonds, and sunflower seeds. Diphtheria. Diphtheria is a virus that causes a sore throat and difficulty breathing. It can also cause a rash. The best way to prevent diphtheria is with the DTaP vaccine for kids less than 7 or the Tdap vaccine for kids older than 7 and adults. Hand washing. Who can tell me how long you're supposed to wash your hands for? The correct answer is 20 seconds. And who can tell me a few different illnesses that can be prevented by washing your hands? Some examples that I have are the common cold, RSV, and pink eye. Annual wellness visit. Everyone should go to their healthcare provider or pediatrician every 1 to 2 years for a routine wellness exam. And also you go when you are sick and go as often as needed. Flossing. Who can tell me how often you're supposed to floss your teeth? You're supposed to floss every day. And who can tell me why flossing might be important? So flossing helps prevent gum disease and can help protect our heart because the plaque that gets stuck in our teeth can cause our heart to start having problems. Varicella. Varicella is also known as chickenpox. It causes an itchy rash. The best way to prevent varicella is with the varicella vaccine. Hepatitis B. Hepatitis B causes a disorder or a disease that is associated with our liver. The best way to prevent hepatitis B is with the hepatitis B vaccine.